This video is not for public consumption. If you're watching this, it means that you are either a member of the Retirement Nerds YouTube channel or you've signed up to receive the Retirement Nerds newsletter. Nobody else can see this video, and I'm a lot closer to the camera than normal, and it feels a little bit weird, but I haven't done a lot in the members only side of YouTube, and that's hopefully about to change. Now, a common question that I get asked is, how do I get compensated? How am I making money, and how do I support my family? And I'm going to answer that question in this video. But before I do, here's how I plan to use the member-only part of the YouTube channel. Now, there are 3 types of videos that I will release here in the members-only section. The first are more of a commentary video. The main channel stays as politically neutral as possible. I'm politically neutral as a person at heart anyway, so that's not going to change. However, I will put out some videos that are more of a commentary approach on articles, other YouTube videos, and the fear-inducing media out there that is produced to agitate you. And I will point out where these things might have some merit and then where most of them are just garbage. But the point is, you will see more of my opinions in the members-only side of the YouTube channel. The next type of video that I will make in the members-only world would involve more specific personal examples of people that we see and help through their retirement decisions. Now, I get a lot of emails every day where people have specific questions about their situations in a particular state. And then rather than make a general video for the whole world, I'll make a more detailed video about how to approach these situations based on the circumstances that these people are in and that they presented to me in these messages. I will not make any personal information public, meaning I'm not going to share names or addresses or personally identifiable information, just the general problem that we're hoping to solve and the state in which it's happening so that you can see how the state influences that. So if you have questions, you don't have to worry about me making your identity public. The last type of videos in this members-only area would include an even more open look into my life outside of YouTube. And if you're part of the newsletter, you get a lot of that through writing, but I'll share some more videos. And with all 3 of these buckets of videos, as well as the public-facing channel, I want to lean on you to help shape where this channel goes and what videos I make here in the members-only group, as well as the public-facing videos on how I can help people the best. Now, this video will fall into bucket number 3, which is a more detailed look into my life and how I get paid. If somebody is afraid to share with you how they are compensated, I see that as a red flag that they might be hiding something. And I've shared this in other videos throughout the years, but we have, I think, over 400 videos on our channel, so it'd be hard to find. But here's how the Retirement Nerds as a business is set up. First, I am the sole owner of the Retirement Nerds at this point, and I have several partners who I work with to help people with their retirement conversations. And the first source of revenue comes from YouTube. Now, YouTube, once you reach 1,000 subscribers and a certain number of watch hours, YouTube starts paying you for the views on your channel. So this is one way that I earn money, is simply by you taking the time to watch the videos that I put out. You don't pay anything out of your wallet. Your form of payment is time, which YouTube has a value on, specifically through their ads or those who are paying for YouTube premium features. Now, part of my income is tied to the number of views that each video gets, and then during the busy season of Medicare from October to December every year, YouTube revenue is pretty high because a lot of people have questions about upcoming Medicare topics, and then more people are watching during that time of year, so the YouTube revenue goes up with more views. This channel memberships is another way for YouTube to pay creators, is for people who sign up for the memberships. Right now, in May, it is a slower time of year, so the views are lower on the Medicare videos, and that's fine. Frankly, one of the biggest temptations here on YouTube is to make highly charged emotional content because that tends to get more clicks, more views, and dollars. And I think we can see a lot of creators out there who rely on this with thumbnails of burning, exploding hospital buildings and titles about how somebody is going to come for your Social Security or your Medicare benefits. It scares people, it causes them to click, they watch, and then that person gets paid more. I am trying to avoid that strategy as much as possible. I'm trying not to scare people. I'm trying to take those fears away. Now, the next way that I learn a living is through those who reach out for help. I am a licensed health insurance agent, meaning that I have passed the tests that allow me to offer health insurance in my state. And I used to work at an insurance agency that focused on helping people with their Medicare plans and long-term care. I have since gone on to my own full-time YouTube career here with the Retirement Nerds. Over the lifetime of this channel, 99.2% of all viewers do not live in my state, which meant that for every 100 people who would reach out for my help, I was only licensed for fewer than one of them. So because of this, years ago, I started looking for partners who were licensed so that we would be able to help people in all 50 states. Now, between you and me, it is incredibly easy to find agents willing to take new clients. Every agent in the world is hoping to find more business. But that is not how I wanted this to go. I didn't want just anybody willing to take these people who have watched these videos and trusted me and then turn them over to a stranger. I wanted to ensure that the people who I partnered with held the same beliefs that I did around education and service, not sales. Seniors are absolutely hammered with marketing and sales tactics, and I hate it. So my partners cannot practice harassment tactics or pushing people into specific products that are not good for the individual and are only for commissions. We share the facts around how these plans work, and then you decide what you feel is best. From there, my partners must continue that service after you've made your choices. My partners do not just help you go on Medicare when you first need it and then forget about you. They are involved with that decision and with any changes over the course of your entire life. My partners must not only be licensed in these states, but they must be familiar with the states, the plans, the laws, the rules, and the details of that state. My 50-state Medicare tour showed the fact that every state had its own little intricacies and nuances, and some states are wildly different than the rest. My partners have to know the state, and they have to have experience helping people in that state for me to feel comfortable sending people to them. So finding partners like this is much more difficult. A lot of agents in our space focus on one or two insurance companies to offer rather than many. Agents will push Advantage or Supplement over each other. Agents will be licensed in a state but not really know that state. And then some will only help you sign up for Medicare and then they disappear. This has led me to having about 10 partner agencies across the country that specialize in Medicare. And between the 10 of them, they are licensed and familiar with all 50 states. Simple math shows that this means that I do not have a partner in every state, but between them all, we cover the 50 states very well. When someone reaches out to the Retirement Nerds for Medicare help and then uses one of my partners to get their supplement or Advantage plans, my partners earn a commission from the insurance companies. And then part of that commission they send to me. So that's another way that I am compensated. And here's what I think is pretty cool about this. I have no idea what plan they are putting you on, meaning I genuinely don't care if they help you get an Advantage plan or a supplement plan. I don't give them quotas. I don't see any reports saying, hey, we got this many of one or the other plan. I have spent years developing the relationships with these people, and I trust them, and I don't want to have to babysit anybody, and I don't want to have to make videos where my compensation is tied to whether or not you pick one plan or another. Also, I get a lot of people insisting that they work with an agent local to their town, and they live in a state or an area where I don't have official partners located in that area. But I do have a decent network of people given what I do, and so I am able to try and find somebody for them in their area. Now, I won't know that agent personally. I'll ask that agent if they support our beliefs, and I mean, frankly, who's going to deny it? I've never had anybody say that they don't believe in fairness and kind of a non-biased approach to this decision, and I'm happy to make those connections for the people who are wanting somebody close. And I make nothing from these examples, and I'm okay with that. So again, that's the second way that I learn a living is connecting my Medicare partners with people who need Medicare help. This also means that I do not enroll people in plans at this point, even in my own state. My time, I feel, is best spent making as many videos as possible, clearing up how Medicare works, and then connecting people with trusted partners who are licensed and familiar with their state. I answer general questions from people all across the country all day long. I jump on phone calls or talk to people through their questions. But when it comes time to quote plans and sign people up, that's where my partners come in. Now, the third way that brings in a different type of partner, that insurance agency that I used to work for, we shared an office with Capita Financial Network, and you may recognize that company whose president is Zach Call, a regular contributor to this channel. I worked closely with Capita as they were helping people with their Social Security planning all for free. They look at ways that people can maximize their Social Security benefits while also looking at when to take it and how to strategize around their spouse. After about 3 years of working with them and then seeing how they treat people, I brought Zach onto the channel for the first time. Now, Capita helps people with financial planning, investment management, social security strategies, basically anything that has to do with your money leading up to retirement and then sustaining that into retirement. Now, Capita gets their name out there through the channel and then compensates me as a sort of a marketing/video production fee to record and put out our interviews together. They have very tight rules around how they can't compensate their partners based on closed business. So we use this as a platform and a marketing channel for them to educate folks. And then if people like the way they think, they can reach out and use them for their services. The last way that I earn an income is through my other partner, Jim Birch, with Easy Legal Planning. He is the estate planning expert, and he offers such great advice and help around things like wills and trusts. I looked for someone like Jim for years, and when I found him, I was, and I still am, ecstatic to have him as a partner to help people with their estate planning. To have a complete estate plan put together by him and his team, the cost depends on how many properties that you own, but most people with just their single home, it costs less than $1,000, which I think is such a great service out there for people on the channel. I trust him to do the right thing for you, and it's at a cost that is reasonable rather than other estate plans that can run into thousands and thousands of dollars. So if people connect with him through the Retirement Nerds, then I earn a referral amount from him and his team if they decide to get an estate plan built by his team. So there you have it. That's how I earn a living to support my family. So you let me know what other videos that you would like to see in this members only section of the channel or on the public facing channel. And I want you to know how much I genuinely appreciate you and your support and your love and all of the words of encouragement. I just can't thank you enough. So I will see you in the next videos.